Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a foundation review, and it's going to be part of my new series called Is That So? And in this new series I'm going to be testing out new products and testing the claims that the companies say and seeing if they're true. So if you want to see me test the new NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, then keep on watching. So I got the new NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color 20 Deep Rich, and this is what it looks like. They say that you can get a sheer to full coverage, and you just add as many drops as you need. And they recommend using a brush for a smooth finish, but I'm going to use a brush on one side of my face and then a beauty blender on the other side. And I'm also not going to be using a primer, just so I can test just the foundation by itself. I'm going to use 3 drops of this just for a medium coverage. 1, 3. I guess that's how I'm supposed to do it. I'm going to use the brush on the side of my face.
Oh, you make me want to talk back.
Just going to add 1 drop to my forehead.
Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
It's very lightweight foundation, and I think the shade might not be my match, but it could oxidize and match me better.
Baby, but you know
But I like the coverage.
never will. No.
The side of my face with the beauty blender. 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got it on my shirt. No.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
And I'm gonna do the same thing on my forehead and just put like 2 drops.
Take you like a pill.
I actually like the side with the brush a lot better because the beauty blender kind of thinned out the coverage of the foundation. And I'm gonna insert a flash test right now so you can see if there's any flashback or things like that. I'm not gonna add any other products to my face besides maybe doing like eyebrows and like mascara, just so I can test the foundation. And I'll give you my final thoughts in a check-in throughout the day so you can see how I'm liking this foundation. Right now it's 10:38, and yeah, we'll see how this foundation does. Bye. I also forgot to mention that this foundation retails for $16 Canadian, and I believe it's $14 US. So it's a pretty decent price for this foundation. So I'm back with my final thoughts and my review of this foundation. So this is supposed to be a velvety matte finish, and it's pretty matte for most of my face. It's just my nose, which I'm not surprised. I get really oily in my nose, and right now it's 5:54. You can see that. I noticed that it kind of got weird in my nose area because it's oily there, and it does kind of transfer. I think if you set it with a powder, it wouldn't transfer as much. But overall, I liked how the foundation is. It lasted throughout the day. I took a little nap and there was no product on like my bed sheets or anything. Yeah, it stayed pretty matte throughout the day. I'll insert a picture of how I looked before and then how I look right now. And yeah, so I would say to go out and get this foundation. Let's see. Yeah, I recommend using a brush, even though like NYX recommends using a brush, and I agree with that because it looks a lot nicer with the brush compared to using your beauty blender. What else? One thing I would say is that they should get more shades out in the stores, because I had to order this online and it was a struggle to try and pick my foundation shade, and I was lucky that I picked a shade that matches me. And I know it's a struggle to find shades that match you, especially if you're on the darker side of the spectrum. I think that's all I had to say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Bye.
Yeah, my veil.